Welcome to Vishwa's Genius Hub to explore the world of GK. Let's dive into the exciting geography quiz to test your knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a challenge. Land surrounded by water on three sides: island, peninsula, archipelago. Correct answer is peninsula. A peninsula is a landform surrounded by water on three sides while remaining connected to the mainland. River with the largest basin in India: Ganges, Godavari, Brahmaputra. Correct answer is Ganges. The Ganges River has the largest river basin in India, covering a vast area of approximately 1,086,000 square kilometers. Pass linking Manali and Leh by road: Zojila, Khardungla, Rohtang Pass. Correct answer is Rohtang Pass. Rohtang Pass cuts through the Pir Panjal range and connects Manali to Leh by road. Pass connecting Kailash and Manasarovar: Nathula, Lipulekh Pass, Khunjerab Pass. Correct answer is Lipulekh Pass. The Lipulekh Pass provides the land route between Kailash and Manasarovar, connecting India's Uttarakhand and Tibet. Region supporting Karewa Formation: Punjab, Kashmir, Gujarat. Correct answer is Kashmir. The Karewa Formation is found in the Kashmir Valley, consisting of terraces of lacustrine deposits, and is known for its significance in the study of climate and archaeology. India's longest coastline: eastern coast, western coast, southern coast. Correct answer is western coast, also known as Arabian coast. India's longest coastline stretches along the western side, from Gujarat to Kerala. Narrow waterway connecting two larger water bodies: strait, canal, gulf. Correct answer is strait. A strait is a naturally formed, narrow waterway that connects two larger bodies of water. Pass created by the Indus River: Khyber Pass, Bolan Pass, Banihal Pass. Correct answer is Banihal Pass. The Banihal Pass is a narrow passage between two mountains in the Pir Panjal range of Jammu and Kashmir. The Banihal Pass is also known as the Jawahar Tunnel, that runs under the pass. Group of islands: archipelago, peninsula, isthmus. Correct answer is archipelago. An archipelago is a cluster or group of islands located close to each other. Pass linking Srinagar to Leh: Zojila, Rohtang Pass, Khyber Pass. Correct answer is Zojila. Zojila connects Srinagar to Leh by road, crossing the Pir Panjal range. Largest delta in India: Sundarbans Delta, Mahanadi Delta, Godavari Delta. Correct answer is Sundarbans Delta. The Sundarbans Delta, formed by the confluence of the Ganges, Brahmaputra and Meghna rivers, is the largest delta in India. World's largest peninsula: Arabian Peninsula, Iberian Peninsula, Korean Peninsula. Correct answer is Arabian Peninsula. The Arabian Peninsula is the largest peninsula in the world, covering about 3 million square kilometers. Water body separating Andaman from Nicobar: Falk Strait, 10-degree channel, Gulf of Mannar. Correct answer is 10-degree channel. The 10-degree channel separates the Andaman Islands from the Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal. Water body home to Lakshadweep: Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Andaman Sea. Correct answer is Arabian Sea. Lakshadweep is an archipelago located in the Arabian Sea, off the western coast of India. Largest archipelago in the world: New Guinea Archipelago, Canadian Archipelago, Malay Archipelago. Correct answer is Malay Archipelago. The Malay Archipelago, which includes Indonesia, the Philippines, and other islands, is the largest archipelago in the world. There is Loktak Lake situated: Manipur, Assam, Meghalaya. Correct answer is Manipur. Loktak Lake, known for its floating famdis, is situated in the state of Manipur in northeastern India. Imaginary line dividing India into two equal parts: Tropic of Cancer, Equator, Prime Meridian. Correct answer is Tropic of Cancer. The Tropic of Cancer almost divides India into two equal parts, running through the middle of the country. Hill range dominated by Dodda Betta Peak, Nilgiri Hills, Western Ghats, Aravalli Range. Correct answer is Nilgiri Hills. Doddabetta, the highest peak in the Nilgiri Hills, is located in Tamil Nadu, India. What is piece of subcontinental land that is surrounded by waters called? Peninsula, Gulf, Island. Correct answer is island. An island is a piece of land that is completely surrounded by water. Islands can be found in oceans, seas, rivers and lakes. River not part of Panchnath, Sutlej, Beas, Yamuna. Correct answer is Yamuna. The Panchnath, meaning 5 rivers, includes the Sutlej, Beas, Ravi, Chenab and Jhelum rivers, but not the Yamuna. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more amazing content. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, especially about the quiz questions. How many did you get right? Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.